guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Diva Kataria and you're watching The Beautiful Imperfection. So today I'm doing a sit down video where I'm gonna be talking about simple habits that can make your life more productive. I know this lockdown has made everybody a little lethargic. सबको सिर्फ बेड में रहना पसंद है, ऊपर से ठंड है तो किसी को लेजेंड 12 बजे से पहले रजाई से निकलना पसंद नहीं है. I know it, I can feel it. But there are these simple habits that have actually changed my life and made my life more productive. And I feel so much better about it. I feel there's less drama and everything in my life. I feel so satisfied in my life right now that I have nothing to complain about. And I want the same for you guys as well. So these are just a few simple tips. I have them over here. So I'm going to share them with you. And I hope it helps you if you follow all of them. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. So first thing first, right in the morning, start waking up early. I know everybody say this, but I'm not gonna ask you to wake up at 6 a.m. if you're a person who wakes up at 12 or 10 maybe. But I'm not asking you to wake up at 6. Let's just take small steps. Start waking up an hour early to what you usually wake up. For example, if you wake up at 10 a.m., start waking up at 9. If you wake up at 7, start waking up at 6. So just try that and धीरे धीरे उसको तुम टाइम और कम कर सकते हो. If you have more time, you'll get more things done. As simple as that. हम फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आपका कॉलेज है, ठीक है, जैसे मैं कॉलेज में हूँ, अगर आपका कॉलेज है और आपको 7 बजे घर से निकलना है और उसके लिए अगर आप 6:30 उठ रहे हो तो वो जो आधा घंटा है उसमें आप हड़बड़ी में चीज़ें करोगे, बहुत जल्दी जल्दी करोगे. बट इफ़ यू वेक अप एट 5:30 और 6 मे बी, then you'll have more time and आप आराम से सारी चीज़ें कर सकते हो. You don't have to hurry up, you won't forget things and you'll have time to breathe. Basically, you'll have time for yourself if you want to add up yoga in that period, if you want to add stretching out, if you want to add reading, you can if you have that extra time. We always complain कि हमारे पास extra time नहीं है यार, इस चीज़ का time नहीं है, उस चीज़ का time नहीं है. What we do not realize is कि time निकालना पड़ता है. ठीक है, टाइम तो मेरे को याद है, मैं आके परोसेगा नहीं, कम ऑन. सो यू नीड टू टेक द टाइम आउट, सो यू नीड टू स्टार्ट वेकिंग अप अ लिटिल अर्ली. एंड ऑनेस्टली वन पर्सनल टिप, मॉर्निंग्स आर एक्चुअली ब्यूटिफुल. हमारी यंग एज में पीपल आर मोर लाइक रात अच्छी होती है, देर तक जागना है, 4 बजे तक सुबह तक जागना है. डोंट डू दैट. आई स्वेयर, स्टार्ट वेकिंग अप अर्ली. इट्स लाइक एन एडिक्शन. It's like if I wake up at 7 and I get to see the sunrise, I hear the birds chirping. It's very, very addictive. I swear, and it's like meditation. Just sitting out there in the morning when there's no honking and nothing else. It's good. It's actually good. So practice that if you can. Second, we have avoid phone in the morning. Really, it's been months that I haven't done that. वी हैव अ हैबिट कि उठते ही सबसे पहले फ़ोन पे चेक करना है क्या नोटिफिकेशन है, विद इट्स व्हाट्सएप, फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम, स्नैपचैट, एंड वी लाइक unintentionally bombard ourselves with a lot of information right in the morning itself. उठते ही हमारा ब्रेन एक्टिवेट नहीं होता है, एटलीस्ट मेरा नहीं होता है, ठीक है. उठते ही किसी का भी ब्रेन एकदम से एक्टिवेट नहीं होता है. और अगर उसको ऑन करते ही तुम इतनी सारी इंफॉर्मेशन दे दोगे ना, तो इट्स गोना स्टे अ लिटिल messed up throughout the day. So don't do that. Give your brain some time to actually wake up. Alright? Like get up in the morning, make your bed, open the windows, go out, go for a run or do those things, and at least half an hour or an hour later use your phone. If you want to, if it's important, do that. Don't just wake up and start using your phone. And अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि फ़ोन देखते ही आपको नोटिफिकेशन चेक करने का मन करता है, अलार्म बजता है क्योंकि फ़ोन में, ट्राई यूजिंग अ क्लॉक. ठीक है, एक घड़ी लेके आओ, छोटी ज़्यादा महंगी नहीं आती है, घड़ी लेकर आओ, उसमें अलार्म लगाओ, सो दैट आप सुबह उठते फ़ोन आपके हाथ में आए ना. इफ़ यू हैव अ हैबिट ऑफ यूजिंग योर फोन एज सुन एज यू वेक अप, सो चेंज दैट हैबिट एंड यू विल सी अ डिफरेंस. आपका सुबह माइंड बहुत काम रहेगा. यू विल वेक अप विद अ वेरी रिलैक्स्ड माइंड, रिलैक्स स्टेट ऑफ माइंड. एंड धीरे धीरे, आई नो स्टार्टिंग में इट्स गोना बी अ लिटिल टफ, बट धीरे धीरे इफ यू स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग इट ना, आपको फ़ोन की इतनी ज़रूरत पड़ेगी नहीं. पहले आई स्वेयर आई वॉज वन ऑफ योर गाइज कि मैं अपने फ़ोन के बिना 1 मिनट भी नहीं रह पाती थी. मतलब वॉशरूम तक भी चिपका कर लेके जा रही हूँ. आई यूज टू बी लाइक दैट. एंड अब मेरे को फ़ोन से इतना घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. लाइक अगर मेरा फ़ोन रूम में है, मैं बाहर हूँ, मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट रियली दैट पर्सन राइट नाउ जिसे फ़ोन सारा टाइम साथ में चाहिए. नो, आई स्टार्टेड फोकसिंग ऑन मोर थिंग्स. आई नो आई हैव अदर थिंग्स टू गेट डन एंड फोन इज नॉट अ प्रायोरिटी. मतलब वो नीचे आ गया है थोड़ा सा. So you'll see that change if you practice this in the morning. Avoid using your phone in the morning basically. I hope it's recording. Yeah, it is. मैं बोल रही थी, मैं देख रही थी रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है कि नहीं. So moving on, thing is practice gratitude. I cannot stress this enough that how important it is. Like again, talking about youngsters, talking about experience. We are all the time कि हमारे पास ये नहीं है, हमें ये चाहिए, काश हमारे पास ऐसा होता, काश हमारी लाइफ ऐसी होती, उसके पास ये, यार मुझे भी वो चाहिए. And we complain, we cry all the time. ठीक है, we fight with our parents, we fight with our friends or anybody for that matter, and we're never grateful for what we already have. हम हमेशा, मेरी मॉम बोलती है एक चीज़ कि हम हमेशा अपने से आगे वालों को देखते हैं या अपने से ऊपर वालों को देखते हैं, तो वी फील बैड. बट अगर हम अपने से नीचे वालों को देखेंगे जिनके पास वो चीज़ें भी नहीं है जो हमारे पास है, we'll feel great, we'll feel thankful, we'll feel grateful कि at least we have what we have. And if you want something more in life, you need to first appreciate what you already have in life. It's very important. So as soon as you wake up, you can do this instead of using your phone. Sit down, breathe for a while, meditate for like 5-10 minutes, and then either you can write in a notebook or you can just mentally think about all the things that you're grateful for. And it doesn't have to be all the expensive, glorious things in your life. No, it can just simply be a house, you have a shelter, you get food, you have clothes to wear, you have great friends, or maybe even if you're alone, be grateful that you're alive. Simply be grateful for whatever you have in your life. It can be a phone, it can be your education. You're lucky enough that you're getting education. आधी दुनिया को नहीं मिलती, and you know that. ठीक है, so you are grateful for whatever you have, and you need to actually feel it every day in the morning. Your morning will start on a great note, and hence your day is gonna be a great day. So practice gratitude. Come on, learn something new. In our daily life, we are so busy. We have, like, most of the people have a regime to follow. All right, उठना है, ब्रेकफास्ट करना है, काम पे जाना है, वापस आना है, फोन यूज करना है, टीवी देखना, सो जाना है. But in this whole process, we are actually forgetting the importance of learning. And learning is amazing. Learning is great. And learning honestly doesn't require कि आपको कोई चीज़ सीखने के लिए classes चाहिए. नहीं. It's like I wanted to learn a new language when this lockdown started. So I thought, let's try Spanish. I did not take any online class. I just searched a few videos on YouTube, and every day I used to practice for like 30 minutes, 15 minutes, जितना time मुझे मिलता था. And I am glad that I know the basics of Spanish now. Although I'm taking French classes now, but I'm learning 2 languages, and I'm happy about it. So learning is important, and I'm not saying learning a new language or an instrument. No, knowledge is knowledge, and you can get it any way. Like, it can be reading, it can be watching a video on YouTube, it can be listening to a podcast. And you know, listening to a podcast is actually easy. I have realized that, like, while going for a run, you listen to the music. Instead of that, switch to a podcast. Listen to something that is gonna help you, in increasing your knowledge. Alright, that will motivate you. Try listening to that all while driving to work or driving to college. You can listen to a podcast anytime. That's the easiest way of learning something or listening to something that's gonna help you in the future. So learning something new every day is important. Taking out time for yourself every day is important. So that's the thing, lifestyle habit that I have learned, and I try to learn something new every day. So fifth is train your mind. It is very important. I know it's not going to be easy. It sounds very easy while saying it, but I just realized that इतना easy नहीं है. मतलब देखो बहुत time लगा ये चीज़ सीखने में, but it's important. Training your mind से मतलब basically मेरा मतलब है if there's something that you want to do and you are not able to do it, it's because you're telling yourself that you cannot do it. Are you getting it? This is the book that I've been reading, Power of Your Subconscious Mind. It's written over there that you need to train your conscious mind so that your subconscious mind follows. अगर मैं अपने आप को बोलूँगी कि मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही है, if I'll tell myself again and again, नहीं मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही है, मैं नहीं सो पाती. But if I tell myself 4 to 5 times before sleeping, दिव्या तुझे बहुत तेज नींद आ रही है, सो जा, तुझे बहुत तेज नींद आ रही है, I eventually fall asleep. Because my subconscious mind is actually a baby. It will do whatever you'll ask him to. You know, it doesn't have a mind of its own. So you need to train your conscious mind to do things. For example, if you wanna take a bath and you're feeling very lazy that you do not wanna get up, just don't let the thought of no come into your mind. Or do not give it a thought again. You know that you have to take a bath, get up and do it. अगर बैठ के if you think about it, you'll end up overthinking and you'll end up telling yourself that you're feeling too lazy to do it. समझ रहे हो मेरी बात? अगर तुम्हें कुछ करना है, जिम करना है, बहुत लेजी फील हो रहा है, होने दो, ठीक है? डोंट थिंक अबाउट इट, जस्ट गेट अप, चेंज एंड गो. अपने माइंड में ना आने मत दो, नो आने मत दो. जस्ट ट्रेन योर माइंड कि जो करना है वो करना है. यू हैव टू डू इट. डोंट गिव योर सेल्फ अनदर ऑप्शन. वेन यू गिव योर सेल्फ 2 ऑप्शंस ना, या तो करूँ या ना करूँ, उस पर अगर तुम्हारा मन ना करने का है ना तो तुम नहीं करोगे, वो ऑब्वियसली हैवी हो जाएगा. But if your mind is strong, if your mind is trained and it knows what to do, don't give yourself excuses. Don't just tell yourself that you have a choice of not doing it. Don't think about anything else, just start doing it and it works. It actually works, sorry. 6th, I guess this is the last one. But yeah, remember why you started. Always remember, if there's anything that you're doing in life and you sort of feel like giving up, remember why you started. Or the best way to do it is to have reminders. For example, I am into fitness right now, so I have my wallpaper which is a fitness motivation quote. So whenever I check my phone, it motivates me that I need to stay active, I need to work out, I need to eat healthy. So it's a reminder for me for that. Or you can have these quotes printed out, you can stick them on your wall, or you can have sticky notes. The best way, have sticky notes, write something on it that you want to remember anytime and just stick it somewhere where it's visible. For example, you can write to be grateful and you can stick it on the mirror. Or if you have a habit of not brushing your teeth like me, I got you. Write this on a sticky note that you need to brush your teeth and stick it on the mirror, washroom mein, so that the moment you enter your washroom, you see that sticky note over there and you will like, okay, brush karna hai, you have to, and you'll do it. So always remember why you wanted to start doing something and display it so that तुम जितनी बार उसे देखो उतनी बार तुम्हें वो याद आए. It can be a simple habit or it can be your goal. In fact, if like for example, if you want to lose weight, you can write this on a big paper that your goal, that I want to lose 10 kgs till 1st April or 31st March or whatever date, random date you want to select as your goal, and stick it somewhere ताकि तुम्हें वो रोज दिखे and it reminds you again and again that you have to stick to it. Alright, so these were some of the habits that made my life literally more productive. I feel more happy now, I feel more satisfied, honestly. I do not feel the need that I need something in my life or I'm incomplete और मेरे को ये चाहिए, मुझे वो चाहिए, या आई एम स्ट्रेसफुल. आप मेरे से कोई भी पूछते हैं ना, आई एम लाइक सब बढ़िया. और होता है ना रेगुलर, क्या चल रहा है भाई, आई एम लाइक सब परफेक्ट है. इट्स लाइक बिकॉज आई नो इट्स परफेक्ट, बिकॉज इट्स इन माई हैंड टू मेक इट परफेक्ट. किसी और के हाथों में नहीं है. जस्ट बिकॉज कोई और आके मुझ पर रैंट कर रहा है या कोई और मेरे बारे में बकवास कर रहा है, इट डजंट अफेक्ट मी. ऑनेस्टली इट डजंट. आई डोंट गिव अ फ्लाइंग डैश because it's up to me. I know what's important in my life, I know what my goals are, and those people or those things do not matter at all. They cannot stop me, only I and my mind can. So train your mind, think yourself what you want in life and work for it. Simple as that. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys like it. I hope मेरा इतना यहाँ पे 15-20 मिनट का बोला हुआ आप लोगों के काम आए. And I'm ready to make such videos if you want me to. If you have any topics in mind, do leave a comment down below, or you have my Instagram, The Beautiful Imperfection. You have my email ID. Everything is gonna be mentioned in the description. Everything is gonna be mentioned in the description box below. So do leave me a message if you want to say something, if you need some help with something, or if you want me to make a video on a certain topic. Do let me know and I'll do that. And till then, I'm gonna go and practice all of my productive habits, and I'm gonna see you next time in my next video. Bye bye.